Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the Home Master Hardware Heavy-Duty Closet Shelf and Rod Brackets, a versatile and durable solution for all your storage needs. Crafted from high-quality steel, these brackets boast a sleek white finish that complements any modern decor while supporting heavy loads of up to 300 pounds per pair, making them ideal for organizing both small and large spaces. For optimal support, it's recommended to use a 24-inch board length per pair of brackets, with additional brackets for longer boards, allowing you to maximize your storage potential. The innovative floating design not only provides robust shelving support but also frees up wall space, creating a cleaner and more organized living area. These brackets aren't just for closets. Their elegant pattern design makes them perfect for kitchens, garages, basements, and other storage areas, adding a decorative touch wherever they're installed. The package includes 10 brackets along with mounting screws, ensuring easy installation in any room, and with our commitment to excellent after-sales service, you can rest assured that we're here to help if anything goes wrong. So, whether you're looking to revamp your closet or add some stylish storage to your garage, these brackets are the perfect choice for a tidy and organized home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.